In today's video, I will be turning my sad soup, okay? My soup that is very sad into a happy soup. Delicious soup recipe. So I'm just going to add my leftovers in the freezer to make this soup you are seeing on the screen. My name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes, and trust me, you will love it here. So please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have my cow feet or kotodwe here, okay? It is in the air fryer. We will leave it there. I do not season it, okay? Now I am frying my fish. Please, if you want to know how I fry my fish, I have a lot of recipes on wherever you are watching me from, okay? Please check them out for me, and then you can come and then proceed with the video. That is just by the way. Or when you're done watching, you just watch that for me. Thank you so much for doing it. I'll flip it to the other side and then make sure it fries very well before we continue with the recipes. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and please follow us everywhere as well so that we can grow very well at every place. Thank you so much for your time once again. Now our fish is ready. I am just going to remove everything from the oil, let it stay on the paper towel, and then we are good to go. On the other hand, I have my okra on fire. I added some eggplant or my garden eggs, anyhow you will call it. I did not get the other type of garden eggs, so I decided to use this as well. And this as well tastes so good when you use it for your okra, okay? So I cut the okra and then place it on fire, added some more water to it. Give it a stir, allow it to cook, and then we can proceed with the next thing. At this moment, it looks so good. I added a pinch of salt to it, and then just allow the okra to do its own thing. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always clicking on my videos to watch. I am so grateful, okay? I don't take it for granted. So at this moment, our okra is 70% cooked, and when we are making soup, we can't make this without our mushrooms. Now before we add the mushrooms, I have added my kotodwe, the cow leg, okay? So it can cook very well, even though it is well cooked already, but we just want it to cook very well. I added some salted shark, that is kako, to it. You know, we can't prepare our okra here without kako, since I am the president of kako. Do you know that? I love it so much. So I have added some kako to it, and I love mushrooms as well. Yes, I am the only one who really likes it in this house. So I try my best to add more to it. That is my protein, so I don't joke with that. Whilst that is on fire, I have my leftover palmnut soup that is very sad in life. It is very, very sad in life. So I decided to polish her life for her or for it. Now I have added the okra that I prepared on fire to the palmnut soup. I'll give it a stir, and just look at that. I have enough salt, the kako, and everything in the okra soup, okay? And with the palmnut soup, it's also well prepared, okay? It was prepared already, and that was leftover, so it is good already. We are not going to add any extraordinary things to this soup so that we will spoil it. I tasted it, and oh my goodness, absolutely delicious. I'll go ahead and then add my fried fish to it. Oh my goodness, at this moment the king of the house was disturbing me. He said, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm just polishing some soup." So okay, the flavor is flavoring. I said I added some ademe, that's a wedu, or ayoyo, fresh one, to it. Let it stay for about a minute and then you are good to go, because we don't want to overcook it. Okay, and at this point, this is how it looks. As I'm talking to you right now, I have my soft banku on fire, and trust me, I can't wait to pair it with this soup, because it will taste good. Ankasa, looking at the mushrooms, the kako, the fish, the kotoje. Oh my goodness, this would taste good. I just want you to try this recipe, and trust me, you will fall in love with it, because it was so good. Okay, now we are just going to leave it on fire for some few seconds, because a minute later I realized that the ademe is not well cooked. So I decided to throw in some peppers, because some of us, we want it spicy, okay, so that we can mash it in the soup, and when we are enjoying it, we'll be doing you know right? It tastes good, and that kind of experience, oh my goodness, is something else. So that is why I added some pepper to it. Some of us here do not also like pepper, so that we will not, infringe on their happiness for the food. Okay, yes. Now I am tasting it for the last time to see if everything is on point. I tasted and everything was on point, and at this moment my banku was calling my name. Ejram, come and eat. The soup looks good and it is ready now. If you have been here for long, we don't like our okra very slimy, unless I'm making it for someone, okay? But this is for the family, and we don't want it slimy. That is why I allowed it to be on fire for some time. But if you want it slimy, you make sure immediately you add your okra to it. You make sure you just quench your fire. So you just have to add the ademe to the okra, okay, so that it soon be that you have to wait for the ademe to cook. Our soup is ready. Thank you so much for spending some quality time with me. Till I come your way next time, always remember I appreciate you, and please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms as Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.